Welcome to Wales, a part of Great Britain. Come over and experience a culture event like you haven't experienced before. You can travel across the beautiful landscape of Wales and enjoy a land where you're 4 times likely to meet a sheep than a human. The negative language is so complicated that only 20% knows how to speak it, and the other 80% gave up when they tried to pronounce the city called. Wales is also the land of castles. There are more than 600 castles scattered over the westland of Wales. This means that you're never far away from another cultural adventure. One of those is in Conway Castle, where children have an opportunity to experience how to be either a knight of the king or a beautiful princess. Here you can take part in battle or see others fight for their lives. Wales is also known for having a lot of festivals. One of those is the Big Cheese. It is a big event. It's one of the most popular ones in South Wales. There is a lot more than just traditional food stalls, dance, fire eating and street entertainments. Here, take a look of the place. Don't it look lovely? Come and visit now and experiment it yourself.